Hey guys, what's up? So today, we got my TTR 125 2009, and I'm going to be showing you how to do a proper clean. It's not going to be like polishing and all that, but just like getting inside everything and just reviewing my 2009 TTR 125 electric start. I got it about 3 weeks ago, used for I got it for 500, but the back wheel, the spokes, like they're all out and everything. It's not on. It wasn't on this one. We got a new wheel for it. We got it off of Craigslist and just put it. Got some new spokes and put them on. But yeah, now it rides really well. And there's no problems with it. So yeah, just went riding the other day and there was red mud everywhere. I cleaned it right before and it looked almost new, but there was red mud and it got all over in the engine and stuff, so I'm just gonna try to clean that out and make her look new. Sorry about the background noise or fans on, but this is before you clean it with like soap and water. There's a bunch of dirt like in the plastic, just like dust all around the rings. Like dirt on the exhaust pipe, there's red dirt on the engine, on the swing arm, everything. But yeah, let's get it started. To get it started, actually, you're gonna need a hose, preferably with a nozzle, but you don't have to. And then some rags and then some soapy water. All right, let's get started. Rinse down from the top of the bike down, and then you're gonna move back from the top of the bike down, just getting all the dirt and everything off the bike. Then you're gonna want to go over with soapy water from the top down, and then one last like go over. So So yeah, I just decided to cut to the end. I finished wiping it down with the soapy water and stuff. I did a final spray. So yeah, I'm just finishing up. And yeah, all the dirt is now like on the ground where it should be. So yeah, this is after the wash. This looks all really clean. When it dries, it has that kind of dry effect to it, but yeah, it goes away. But if you really don't want to deal with that, I go to Harbor Freight or wherever, get some polish. Yeah, it really makes it look clean. So if you're trying to sell your bike or something, I would do this, and then after it's done, I watched a video on it, and it's like this spray wax kind of stuff, and you just spray it on, wax it. It takes out all the most of the scratches on your plastics, and it just like makes it look, gives it more of a new kind of, restores the colors to how they were when you got the bike. But yeah, that's about it. I'll start her up for you. Yeah. Yeah, if you watch this video, I'm not expecting many people to, but if you do come across this video and you liked it, just please like, and if you want, you can leave mean comments. I don't really care. Doesn't really faze me, but like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.